channel. I'm back again with another video for you guys. This video is going to be me organizing my business room, getting things straightened up. It is Wednesday the 19th, you guys. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope your day is going good. And yeah, my day started off going to school, okay? So now I'm home and I'm ready to work, okay, y'all? And I'm gonna just apologize to y'all now. I'm not gonna have 2 videos up this week. It's just gonna be one. But as long as I have a video for you guys to watch. So let's just get on to this video. We finna organize. It's finna be vlog style, so I'm gonna show you what my area looks like and I'm gonna get it organized. Okay, you guys, so let's start over here. It's a mess. I just got done finishing product pictures, so I have to put all that stuff away, straighten up this little organized area over here, get everything straightened up. It's just a mess and I don't like it, so let's just get started with over here and putting things up. Okay, so in this drawer, I'm going to keep my love letters in this drawer for another pack too. Go ahead and keep them in there as well as them, and keep this stuff in there as well. An update on my old inventory, I have 2 of my heart keychains left. And y'all, my little ring light is broken. I need to put it back. Like the whole stick thing. Let me throw this away. The whole stick. The stick is right here, not the whole stick. The stick is right here. And that's the piece of it. My mixer stay up there as well. Over here is just like testers and yeah, all tester stuff. And then my micas and my sinks is all in here. So it's pretty much organized in this drawer. I'm not really gonna be doing too much on it. Oh, let me show you guys something. So in my last video, I got some sample containers, and I got some pouches that did not fit my sample containers, so I had to exchange them. And I've been having these, and I was kind of like playing around with the packaging and stuff. And these can actually fit my 2-ounce container. So here's the stickers that I made for these samples. So when those come out, those gonna come out. I also have another idea. Yeah, I also have another idea coming to you guys. So everything's in the making. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do and stuff like that. I already got everything written down, so I'm going to see what's gonna shake for me, okay? So right now I'm about to move on to the next area, which is my desk. So this area is kind of cleaned up. I got rid of all my inventory that I was taking product pictures with, and they're over here, and I straightened out up over here. And now I'm gonna move on to that side of the room. So yeah. Okay, you guys, in a quick update, y'all, I am out of my business cards, and that's a good thing and a bad thing, but I'm ordering some next week. So yes, you guys, shop honeylusciouscollection.com. Yeah, I have so many packing peanuts. It does not make any sense. Like, Uline really give a lot of packing peanuts, so I keep the packing peanuts. I also have this one as well. This box full of packing peanuts. So yeah, y'all, it's a lot. But of course, I'm gonna use every last of these packing peanuts because safety is key when I pack my packages and stuff like that. So I want everything to arrive safely to your house, to your destination, and that's that. So I had these boxes from my last launch. They're from Uline, but I have something coming for you guys. Boom. Okay, just bear with me, guys. I'm kind of playing so I can use all these boxes right here. There's like 100 of these boxes in here, probably less than that, but it's like around 90 boxes in here. No joke, it's a lot. It goes all the way down. You guys can see that it goes all the way down. So I have a lot of ideas coming. Stay tuned, you guys. Again, go ahead and follow my IG, business IG, which is going to be on the screen. You guys, please go follow me so you guys can know my journey. So yeah, period. Well, come along with my journey on my Instagram. And yeah, I also have little boxes as well. Like, these used to be my bundle boxes. My honey bundle boxes used to be in here, and I no longer carry them anymore. I no longer sell them anymore after I sold out of them. And all these is just boxes, okay? Boxes on stack of boxes and product creativity, okay? That I use in my product pictures. Over here is the labels that I created. Let me show you guys more in depth. These are the labels that I created for my sample packs. Okay, I don't know if I want to do the sample packs. I'm just trying to see, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm just going to have 2 separate things coming out. I'm going to have to re-up on that and see, rethink on that. Not re-up, rethink on that to see. But these are some things that I need to get inventory-wise. But yes, you guys. Everything mostly clean on my desk. So yeah, I'm gonna straighten up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys. And yeah, always will promote my business on my channel. So go ahead and click the website in the description box below. Also, you see it right here. Go ahead, do that. Go ahead, check it out. Okay. Also, while you checking it out, when you get to check out, use the code YTube15 for 15% off your entire order, y'all. So yeah, I'm finna just like chill. I'm watching YouTube, chill out. Maybe edit this video as well. And yes, you guys, that's just what I'm doing. I'm trying to go to work at like, let me see what time it is. It's 11:42. I'm trying to get to work at 1 o'clock. So I'm trying to do everything before 1 o'clock comes. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. I'm busting out these videos, getting this content up for you guys so you guys can enjoy. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I did not end this video, but I'm ending it right now. I just got off from work, and I edited this video earlier, but I still needed to do an outro. So I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, check out my IG, my TikTok, my Facebook, and my website. So yeah, y'all, bye.